Good morning guys, in front of me is Ulefone Armor 17 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and let's start with the first code, which is *pound 426 #*. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. If you wish to enroll advanced view, tap on more icon and mark it here. As you can see now, you've got access to way more details. So that would be all for this one. Another code that you can use on your Ulefone is *pound 225 #*. And here we've got the calendar info. As you can see, I don't have any account connected with this device. However, if you do have like Google account, maybe iOS account, whatever, all events connected with every calendar of yours would be included here. So from now on, you will not be surprised by any upcoming event. And the last code that I wish to share with you today, pretty simple yet truly useful. It's *pound 06 #. And here you can get the device info. So if you wish to find email or serial number, smoothly enter this short code and it will be displayed within a couple of seconds. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.